Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm doing a behind the scene video. This is going to show behind the scene when I did a video on my channel called showing when Lightning Queen, Timothy, Classic Lightning, Sally, and Crew sang Pop Culture Diesel and Got on Grande. So here's behind the scene how I did. So right here, I got my Nintendo Switch right here. And I went and I found this video. And I used this behind the scene for part of the song, for the Pop Culture Diesel song. And then, right here, I took my time. Like, I really like the voice of sound. I'm like, if you saw Super Mario, Logan, and Sonic people did the voices, I'm usually the voice of Lightning, Timothy, Classic Lightning, Sally, and Cruz Ramirez. I know, sometimes I'm the voice of Maida, sometimes Doc Hudson, and sometimes Jack McQueen right here. Sometimes I'm the voice of Elmo, sometimes I'm Gordon, the voice of Gordon, and last time usually the voice of Thomas the Train. So, if you want me to do a behind the scene video, if you want me to do another video and want me to do a behind the scene video, let me know in the comments below if you want me to make a video of another video behind the scene. Okay, bye everyone.